Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of Valorant Black Screen on startup, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, just make sure that you are using the recommended display resolution on your system. Don't change it for the game. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to display, select display, and change the resolution to the recommended one, because Valorant is one game which will pick the resolution itself. I have been playing it for long. But if you change the resolution for your screen, it will cause many other problems. So use the recommended display resolution. Then update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the window search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click and update both the drivers. Okay. The next one is to run the game as an administrator. Right click on Valorant, select Run as Administrator. And lastly, use the malware removal tool. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Simply click on next, select full scan and then click on next. It is a very powerful tool for scanning malware products on your system and removing them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.